Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a really awesome ColorPro monitor. Specifically, this is the VP2776T-4K, and that T in the part number is really significant because that signifies that this is the first ever ViewSonic Thunderbolt monitor, which is a huge win for our Mac customers that have already gone into the Thunderbolt ecosystem and know how awesome it is. So let's get this monitor open and I can tell you about some of the cool features and why that Thunderbolt is so great. Opening up the monitor and setting it up is very, very easy. We have what we call a pizza box design that's designed so that you can get this thing open and deployed in a big business environment or even just on your own desk in as little as 30 seconds. Opening up the box, the first thing you're going to get is actually a little envelope which has within it some of the documentation that you would want for this monitor, as well as information on how to control the monitor and information about the color calibration. This monitor is fully color calibrated, so it is intended for professional workloads, creative types, CAD types, anyone who needs a really high precision monitor, this is perfect for. Combine that 27-inch IPS technology with a very high 4K resolution and you get a pin sharp picture, awesome for CAD work. Opening up the box, there's going to be some minimal assembly with this monitor, but it is very easy and I will show you how it works. Assembling the stand is as easy as taking the foot plate and taking the upright piece and connecting the two together with a thumb screw on the bottom. Once the two pieces are lined up, there's a single thumb screw, you tighten on, and finger tight is perfectly okay. Here's our fully assembled stand. It makes part of the award-winning design of the VP76 series. It's one of our most significantly professionally designed monitors, and we think the all-metal design is really, really cool. In addition to the stand and the monitor, you're going to get all the cables and accessories that you need. So in the box, we have a DisplayPort cable, we have a power cable, an HDMI cable. The monitor is rated for HDMI 2.1, so we do include a very nice high-speed HDMI cable as well as USB-C to A. This allows you to connect the C to an A type. If you've got, say, a Windows machine that you want to get a little bit of power to, you have that. And then there is, of course, a Thunderbolt cable, which is significant because it supports higher wattage and it also supports higher bandwidth. And again, we'll talk a little bit about that Thunderbolt connection. To assemble the monitor, it's very simple. Again, this pizza box design makes it so simple. So all you do is you pull the front of the box down. This kind of opens up the entire box so you have easy access. There's a hole here. It tells you to tear it open, and that exposes the mounting mechanism for the back of the monitor. You just take the monitor stand, plug it into the holes in the back of the head. You'll hear it click, and then the entire unit can be pulled out in one piece. Now that we got the monitor assembled, let's talk a little bit about the specifications. Again, this is a 27-inch IPS monitor with a full native 4K resolution. It's also a next generation IPS, a very, very high native contrast ratio IPS. That has a 2000:1 native contrast ratio. It also is a wide color gamut monitor, so it supports full sRGB, but also 98% coverage of the DCI P3 color space. In addition to being able to handle HDR signals and that very bright backlight, it's able to reach a VESA HDR 400 certification, allowing you to use both standard dynamic range and also high dynamic range workflows for your work. The 4K resolution is something that's significant and possible because of that awesome Thunderbolt connection. So the connectivity on this monitor is actually really, really great. It's got a Thunderbolt in and a Thunderbolt out, What that means is that you take your Mac or your Thunderbolt equipped Windows PC, you connect it into the monitor. This monitor will provide 100 watts of charging power to that laptop. So even if you've got a big boy 16-inch MacBook Pro, this thing has plenty of power to keep it topped up with energy all the time, so that when you leave to go off, work off site, you've got a full battery. With that Thunderbolt out port, you're actually then able to daisy chain one 4K to a second 4K. So if you want a dual 4K setup with two of these 27-inch bad boys on your desk, you can do that and connect it to your Mac using just one cable. That's part of the power of Thunderbolt. And again, because that second monitor will also have an output Thunderbolt port on it, you can connect other devices to it. You can connect high-speed drives, network attached storage, a webcam, anything you want, you can connect it right into the Thunderbolt, and you're part of that Thunderbolt ecosystem. In addition, because Thunderbolt is such a high bandwidth connection, this monitor has a built-in 2.5G Ethernet port, much faster than the typical 1G gigabit Ethernet ports that you see on so many computers. And most laptops today don't have an Ethernet port at all. So this allows you to add a very high-speed 2.5G Ethernet to your setup without having to add any additional hardware, and it works perfectly over the Thunderbolt, no configuration, it's all automatic. In addition to the connectivity of the Thunderbolt, this is also a very connected monitor for other computers. If you've got HDMI, this is dual HDMI 2.1, as well as DisplayPort, and it also has USB-A's on it as well, so you can connect your keyboard and mouse dongles directly to your monitor. No need to connect those to your laptop anymore, and keep them on your desk and have a whole wireless setup that just connects automatically as soon as you connect that Thunderbolt cable, helping clean up your desk setup and helping you get to work even faster. As part of that award-winning design, this is a fully ergonomically adjusting monitor, so it's got full height adjustment as well as swivel and pivot capabilities. So if you're a Photoshopper who likes to work in portrait images all day or has to work in portrait images, this is a perfect monitor for that. It'll allow you to work within a vertical or portrait workflow throughout the day and adjust automatically. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VP2776T-4K. It is our first Thunderbolt monitor, and we think it is really awesome, and we think creative pros are really gonna love it. Watch this space for more exciting videos on ViewSonic unboxings and ViewSonic products.